Hi everyone, and hello Kreativ. Craving real roasted sweet potatoes today? Here's a smart way to make them at home. Just put sweet potatoes in the rice cooker like this. No water, their oils make them sweet and soft. Then the store-bought ones. Watch the video for a step-by-step guide. First, gather a few sweet potatoes. Use medium, slender sweet potatoes for roasting. Work best. They cook evenly and have a better texture when done. The flavor is also richer. Add enough water to soak them for about 2 minutes. This helps loosen any dirt on the skin. Now, take a brush and clean the skins thoroughly. Roasted sweet potatoes turn soft and sweet, a real treat. Perfect for both kids and adults. If you don't have an oven at home, you might usually steam them, but the flavor just isn't the same. Steamed sweet potatoes lack that rich, roasted sweetness. Buying them outside can be pricey. With this method, you can enjoy freshly roasted ones every day. After soaking, scrub them well and rinse with clean water. Place them on a cutting board and trim off the ends. This helps reduce the cooking time. Some prefer peeling sweet potatoes before cooking, thinking it's more hygienic. But that's actually not ideal. Avoid removing the skin. The skin helps retain the nutrients and sugars inside, and also enhances the flavor when roasted. It makes them naturally sweeter and tastier. After trimming, use a toothpick to poke small holes on the surface. This allows the sweet potato to cook faster and more evenly. Plus, the sugar inside can seep out through the holes, producing a natural glaze. You'll notice oil coming out as well. Choose 4 sides of each sweet potato and, once prepared, place the sweet potatoes into your rice cooker. And here's the key. Don't add any water. The sweet potatoes will release their own juices while roasting. Arrange them neatly at the bottom. And start the cooking process. Cover the lid and roast them for 30 minutes. Quick tip for rice cookers: just press cook to start. If your rice cooker isn't smart controlled, it will likely switch to keep warm mode. When that happens, let it rest briefly, then press cook again, so the sweet potatoes can continue cooking. Repeat this until they're fully done. Almost time. Let's check on them. Wow, they look amazing. See the caramelized layer at the bottom? It's glistening. Roasting in a rice cooker is easy and time-saving. Honestly, it can be better than using an oven or steamer, thanks to the built-in temperature control. So don't worry about the rice cooker burning out. Plus, the caramel stuck at the bottom will come off easily after soaking in water, so no hard scrubbing is needed. Check it out. Strong caramel scent, and can be eaten with the skin on. It's delicious. Steamed sweet potatoes are soft, but less sweet and a bit mushy. Roasted sweet potatoes from a rice cooker. Inside, it's soft, sticky, and sweet. Looks tempting, tastes amazing. Many worry about one thing. Will roasting sweet potatoes ruin the rice cooker? Sensor rice cookers cut power automatically once they reach the set temperature, and won't keep heating, so no worries there. Well, that's all for today's video. If helpful, like, share. I post fun new videos daily. Follow me.